Okay, so now we've got this grid system on the floor, and you're probably wondering, well, how are we going to use this? You're not going to use spacers. You got this grid down on the floor. Show me how to use it. Okay, I will. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make a decision, and I already did, and I'm going to draw some marks on the floor here. I'm going to decide that this line right here and this line right here is always the line that I'm going to go off of for my grid. When I'm measuring to cut my tile, when I'm installing the tile, I'm always going to go with the left bottom corner. And so I'm going to take a tile. I'm going to set it right here. I'm going to line it up with this bottom line right here and this line on the side. And you can see that there's a grout joint right there and there's one right there. If I take my next tile and I line it up the same way, now you can really see that grout joint. And I just keep going on. And so now what I do is this is two different methods here that you can go about by measuring your cuts, what they're going to be. Because we're going to go through and we're going to cut this bathroom, we're going to make all the cuts in this bathroom before we do the installation. That's how I like to do it, and it'll go smooth. And how we were going to make sure that we keep our cuts straight, as you can see, I kind of drew some numbers on the floor already. There's number 1, 2, here's 3, here's 4. Now if you want, you can make these the right side and just put an R, or the left side and put an R or an L. And then you could do the same numbers over there, or you can just keep going with your numbers. Either way. But I transferred those numbers on the back of the tile, so I know exactly where they went. You can see I wrote a number 4 on there. Here's the number 4 there. So this is going to go there. Now the method that I'm going to show you first here is if we take our tile